Let me start this video by asking you a very simple question, a very basic one, and that is, what if you invested in this token in the first hour of its trading? Well, you have made a lot of money by the end of the day. Now, what if I give you a tool that help you recognize or identify the top meme coins before anyone else, and then you can enter them and make a hell lot of money. So today I have a protocol which helps you detect or identify the top meme coins in the Solana ecosystem or maybe in any ecosystem and helps you gain the edge. And that is called as Autosnipe, a sniping tool that helps you identify with hyper speed which token is about to pump, which token can make you money, and which token you should buy or sell as fast as you can so that you can be on top of the game. So without further delay, let's jump right in. Let's talk about Autosnipe. So before I begin, like I always say, please do remember to press the subscribe button, also press the bell icon if you haven't already, and remember to click on the link below to join my Telegram group right away. So what is sniping, guys? Sniping is basically detecting a token before it actually pumps. So there are many tools. By the way, by default the people look at the charts, but the real story, the real edge lies on analyzing a token before anyone else. So we have 1 million token launch on every month, so you can't track every token that can pump. So for that you need tools something like this one, which is Autosnipe. So if you have missed Trump coin, well, I have a good news for you. This is Autosnipe and this will make your work easy. All you need to do is connect your wallet and start sniping. You can see here the tagline: snipe and sell Solana tokens at hyperspeed, all Solana meme coins, deposit from all chains, detect rugs automatically, and MEV protected trading. So just connect your wallet like I did here, and by doing so you will be able to see what is trending, what is not trending, and which token should you invest. You can check out here the new pairs that is just launched and analyze which one has a higher chance of pumping. Of course, no other software is putting in the effort like this one. They have a special features called Trader Lens, AI Sniper, copy trading, and of course you can earn discount by referring your friends. So when we talk about a special feature called AI Snipers, so this very feature helps you activate AI Sniper to earn automatically while you sleep. So that means once you connect your wallet, you can start sniping. It will identify the potential trade for you, and once it does, it will execute it and make you a profit and then sell it. That means while you're sleeping, you are earning money. But what I like about is the best feature is, one is copy trading and second is Trader Lens. When we talk about copy trading is a feature in which you copy the best in the industry, the best wallets in the industry. You just connect the wallet and start sniping, copy trade the best traders in the industry. Go to copy trading, enter the address that you want to track, and with that it will start working. It will start mirroring your buy and sell orders from targeted traders. So let's say there's a trader that is making a hell lot of money. Let's say it's a whale. So you can mirror his particular trades by just sniping, by copy trading, and you can only do so by using Autosnipe too. By the way, if you look at the social handles of this particular platform, and if you go down here, you will see already every day it gives you the top meme coins pairs and top details about the token that is about to pump that can make you money. So if you want to try it, I suggest subscribing to a Twitter handle to see what all updates they have. You can see here the meme coins that pumped recently: Fartcoin, Griffin, Wine, UFD, Mobi. They have been shared by this particular platform. So that means it's a win-win for you. It's a win-win for platform if you start working diligently and start investing your time and give or automate your task by using this particular tool. So if you want to analyze how someone is doing, what is their portfolio, you can go to Trader Lens and you can paste the address. Once you paste the address, you can see here it will analyze it, and just click on view analysis. Like in this case, I have done it for a random wallet. So in this case, this wallet has a balance of just $1.3 in Solana. That is low, but again, you will see all the details. His win loss percentage, his buy sells, every detail is shared right in front of you. So what's better than that? You are just sitting analyzing by just entering the wallet address. Moreover, you will have an edge by doing copy trading, by doing Trader Lens. So there are a lot of features this particular platform offer. Plus you can also check the new pairs which are arriving in the market. Like recently you have DeepSeek AI token that is trending on every social platform, and that will be displayed right over here. So that's the beauty about this particular token. Now, how to get started? For that, you need to connect your Phantom wallet, which is Solana based, and then you must add 0.01 Solana minimum. You can check out the FAQ section. You can see here, if you do a referral, it will charge you 0.9% fee, and without referral is 1% fee. Of course, definitely use the referral. The basic gas is 0.002. Again, what is the minimum deposit amount on Autosnipe? So you need to deposit at least 0.01 to get started. Of course, this is software. This is not a financial advice. It is not guaranteed that it will make you rich, but again, it will give you an edge so that you can make an informed decision. So please read all the documentation before proceeding with the Autosnipe or any other tool just per se. Now, what is the minimum withdrawal amount on Autosnipe? It is 0.002 Solana. Again, very cheap, very cheap compared to any other auto sniping tool. So this is about the tool. Plus they have a referral program. You can read it out here. If you refer more people, you will get a discount. You can earn 40% in fees when your friends sign up on the platform, plus your friends make 10%. What's better than that? You will earn 40% in fees. That is amazing. You can see the amount, this one and this one and this one and this one. You can actually make a lot of money by referring your friend. I will share the links in the description. You can check it out, and I will also share my referral link, so you can just join it and start making money with it. So this is about the video. The last thing I want to tell you is about the activity on this particular platform. You can see here the volume of buy and sell of this particular Autosnipe is very high. So this tool gives you a massive volume opportunity. That means people are using it, they are trading on a daily basis using Autosnipe, and they are minting money. All the data is here in front of you, and you can check it out by going to Dune Analytics. I will share the link in the description. I believe we need AI tools like this one to have an edge compared to other traders. So with that, I complete my video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. Do like, share, subscribe, to press the bell icon, and let me know which other tokens you are targeting in the bull run of 2025. Take care. Let's meet tomorrow. Have a good day. Thank you.